For many, reaching a six-figure net worth seems like scaling the ultimate mountain peak. Scary, perhaps reachable, but only with great preparation and a lot of hard and slow climbing. But those that have made it to that first $100,000 often say that the next 100K is much easier. So why is that first milestone so difficult, and how do we reach it faster? Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's right-hand man, who recently passed away with a net worth of over $2.3 billion, said, "The first $100,000 is but you gotta do it. I don't care what you have to do if it means walking everywhere and not eating anything that wasn't purchased with a coupon. Find a way to get your hands on $100,000. After that, you can ease off the gas a little bit." Why is it considerably easier to accumulate wealth once you've hit that initial milestone? It's because after reaching that point, your money starts working for you. If you haven't yet attained that level of net worth, chances are you haven't amassed significant wealth through investments. At this stage, the money you're adding to your net worth mostly comes from your labor rather than from accumulated investments. This means that you're essentially working harder to generate that first $100,000 than you will be to generate the next, as at that next milestone, your money will likely be doing more of the work for you. Let's say you save $10,000 annually and earn a 7% return on your investment in the stock market. While the stock market typically yields 8 to 10% per year, we'll use 7% to account for taxes and fees. Under these conditions, it would take approximately 7.84 years to save your first $100,000 if you invest $10,000 each year. A common misconception is that saving $1 million would be then 7.84 years times 10, but that's not the case. In reality, it takes a fraction of that time to reach $1 million. For instance, once you hit $100,000, reaching $200,000 would only take about 5.1 years because your initial $100,000 is earning interest while you continue to contribute $10,000 annually. As you progress, each additional $100,000 is accumulated faster than the previous one, by continuing to contribute $10,000 per year and earning a 7% return. Let's take a look at how long it takes to get to each $100,000 for the first $500,000. The first $100,000 takes 7.84 years, then 5.1 years, then 3.78 years, then 3.01 years, then 2.5 years. When you finally reach the $1 million mark, it would have taken 30.74 years in total with these assumptions. Breaking it down further, the first $100,000 took 7.84 years, or 25.5% of the total time, to $1 million, while the remaining $900,000 took just 74.5% of the time. This illustrates that wealth accumulation is disproportionately harder at the beginning. Interestingly, the next $100,000 after reaching $1 million would only take 15 months, which is 15% of the time it took to earn your first $100,000. This demonstrates how your net worth can grow exponentially after hitting that initial $100,000 milestone. In summary, the key takeaway is that your net worth can grow rapidly once you surpass the first $100,000. If you can reach this milestone faster than 7.84 years, you'll have significantly more time to accumulate substantial wealth. All the friction in wealth accumulation occurs at the beginning, making the first $100,000 the hardest to earn, which is why Charlie Munger emphasized it's difficult. Building a solid financial offense and defense is crucial to get started on the path to accumulating your first $100,000 because it ensures that you are not only maximizing your income, which is offense, but also effectively managing and protecting your resources, which is defense. Here's why both aspects are essential. Offense is increasing your income, which includes enhance your skills, advance your career, side hustles, passive income. Defense is managing your expenses, which includes create a budget, Reduce debt, cut unnecessary expenses, build emergency fund. Investment strategies are start investing early. Diversify your investments, automate your savings, regularly review and adjust. Mindset and habits are set clear goals, stay informed, practice discipline, network. By combining these offensive and defensive strategies, you can effectively build and protect your wealth, paving the way to reach your first $100,000 and beyond. The journey to growing your net worth is exponential, not linear. The hardest part is often the beginning, but once you surpass the $100,000 mark, the path to financial freedom becomes clearer and quicker. By leveraging compounding gains, maintaining consistent investments, and employing strategic financial planning, your first $100,000 can serve as a powerful catalyst for future wealth. Remember, every financial journey begins with a single step, and each step you take beyond $100,000 accelerates your progress toward achieving your financial goals.